Children, now the decimal expansion definition of an irrational number. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-repeating, right? Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating is known as a irrational number. So this can be one of the another definition for an irrational number, which connects it with the decimal expansion of it, which tells us about the decimal expansion of an irrational number. And if you've been asked about the examples, and the very good two examples you're going to give is under root 2, you can write the value. You can only learn it till 0.141. So that is enough for you. 1414, that is enough. You already know about this. So pi is 3.1415. You can just say that. So these are going to be the very good examples. If you've been asked about the definition of this is what you can write it as. Now the questions we're going to do in this. So the question will be of the type, find an irrational number between any two rational numbers. Till now you have done the questions that you've been given two rational numbers or the two numbers, and you have to find the rational number between them. But now there's a twist in the question. You have to find an irrational number between two rational numbers, right? So for that, what we're going to do here is, the first step is we are going to write 1 by 7 here, and you're going to do the long division. This is going to be the first step. You're going to do the long division, divide 1 by 7 the way you have already done it. Divide 1 by 7 and write the answer in front of it, what it is, right? It is going to be 0.142857, and then again divide the second number which is given to you, 2 by 7. So you know that how to write it, 2 into 1 by 7, and write the number. So 2 into this is going to 2 into this, multiply, and you can see that this is going to be the answer to this. So now we are having the two answers to 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. The question is to find the irrational number between any two rational numbers. So for that, our steps, the first step is going to be, you are going to write 1 by 7, divide it long division, write the answer. If there's a bar, you have to write it that, 2 by 7, and then find the answer and write this. Now you're going to write the answers in front of it like this, and then now these are the two numbers. You have to write the rational number between these two irrational numbers, between these two numbers. Okay, so as we know that this is a rational number, this is also a rational number. Okay, now we're going to write the irrational numbers between that. So what you need to do here is, you're going to check the first two numbers and the first two numbers of this after decimal, like 0.14 and 0.28. So here we are having the two numbers, 0.14 and 0.28. We can write any number in between it, like 14, we can write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 till 28. We are having many numbers. So you can write that numbers in between, and I've given you one example. We can write it like 0.1501, 5001, 5001, like this. This is also non-terminating and non-repeating. And I'll tell you one magic also. If you are not able to write the irrational numbers and it's not that much clear, so what you can do is, simply what you have to do while writing any irrational number is, just write the numbers, like you just have to write the number, any number. If you have to write the number, just write like 0.101, right? You have to put 1 0 in it, then you are going to write down 2 zeros in it, then you're going to write down 3 zeros in it, then you're going to write down 4. Just keep on increasing the number of the zeros and just put these dots after that. This number will automatically turn into an irrational number. Now see, we have to find the number between 0.14 and 0.28. So you have to find an irrational number between these two numbers. So you have to just find out any number between 14 and 28. So we can take it like 0.15. We can take it as 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, or you can write it like 0.171 0 0 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 2, like this. You can write any numbers between 14 and 28. We are having infinitely many numbers between this. So I'll take one more example like this. There are the two numbers given to you, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. What is the first step? Divide it, write the answer in front of it, right? Now the two numbers are 0.71 and 0.81, and we are going to find any numbers between these two numbers. So it can be 0.75492, It can be 0, 1, 7, 1, 5, like this. You can write as many numbers between these two numbers. I hope this is clear to you. This is to find out the irrational number between any two rational numbers. And I'm going to give you the definition of irrational number and the decimal expansion definition as a picture. So you can write that in your fair notebook also.